Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. So excited to bring you this. I'm gonna show you a quick and easy shrimp cocktail. Give you a great base for this boil. Let's do it right now. I have about 3 cups of water at a rolling boil. We're gonna add some seasoning, add some flavoring to this, really poach this shrimp and chill it for a perfect shrimp cocktail. Add some salt and pepper, okay? Probably a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon, actually a full teaspoon of Old Bay. It's really gonna look at that raging boil. Here's what we wanna do next. We're gonna add some sweetness here. We're gonna add a little bit of white onion, okay? So about 1/4 of a white onion. We just wanna go right in half with it, kind of get these 2 nice little wedges like this. Easier to fish it out. We don't need it super fine. We just want that sweetness of the onion really to help us like this. Next, 1 lemon quartered the same way. We're just gonna squeeze it, really get the acidity in there. Really, that'll cut the Old Bay, that'll cut that onion, really bring it full flavor. A little bit of scallion, a little bit of parsley, go right in. This adds some earthiness, some great texture, okay? We have our induction at a 12. If you're playing with gas or electric at home, folks, we want that on high so we get that nice boil like this. We just want to reduce it down slightly. We don't want to dry this out. We don't want to prolong this. This is a quick, nice little broth method. Really elevate your shrimp cocktail. Speaking of shrimp cocktail, now would be the time to get your ice bath ready. We just have some ice. We're going to pour some water on it. Get this to the consistency to shock these shrimp, because that's what we want to do right when they come out. We want to preserve that great color, that great texture, that amazing finish. So I have some nice 1620s peeled and deveined that I did myself. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go 9. I like odd numbers. Can't go wrong. Now that it's at a nice boil, we're going to actually shut it down and just let it poach and steep. Get that great flavor, okay? Bring our ice bath over. So they're gonna go right in there. Should only take about 2 minutes on the biggest shrimp. We just wanna make sure we move it around. It's really gonna soak up all that flavor. Almost, here's a good one. Look at this. This is almost done. Looks great, but it's still a little white right here. You could tell right in the middle, the thickest part. And this is great for shrimp cocktail. This is great if you have an abundance of shrimp that you want to really pre-cook and chill, serve for a later day, do something with. I'll chill this. I'll chop it up and make a shrimp po' boy, things like that. Add some slaw to it, make a great chilled shrimp salad. Unbelievable. So just don't think it's just shrimp cocktail. This will aid in all of your cooked shrimp applications. Ooh, speaking of that application, we are ready to go. So into the ice bath we go. Don't worry, you can take the greens with you. We can put them back. Actually, the parsley looks good. Shocked. It'll give you that bright green effect. Here's the tricky part. Make sure we got them all. Can use a bigger pot, but I've used a smaller one just because it works out a lot better. Look at this. Let's pull one of these out. Look at that. So here it is, nice shrimp cocktail ready to go. I would take this out right now. I would refrigerate this till ready to serve. Serve with my cocktail sauce, platter it up, and I would enjoy it. So I'll try one right now. Great flavor, great texture, sweet of the onion. Enjoy this.